Today's video is all about the best fishing chairs and stools. When it comes to spending a long day on the water, having a comfortable and sturdy fishing chair or stool is crucial. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know which one to choose. That's where I come in. In this video, I've done the research and testing so you don't have to. I'll be sharing my top picks for fishing chairs and stools based on factors like comfort, durability, portability, and price. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned angler, there's something for everyone in this video. We'll be taking a close look at each chair and stool, discussing their features and benefits, and sharing our honest opinions on each one. I'll also be giving you some tips on what to look for when choosing a fishing chair or stool, and how to properly care for it so it lasts for years to come. So if you're in the market for a new fishing chair or stool, or just curious about what options are out there, you've come to the right place. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of fishing chairs and stools. Number 1. Lead All-Way Foldable Fishing Chair. Offered at a great price and with a minimalist, simple design, for most anglers, this compact fishing stool ticks all the boxes. Made of reinforced steel pipe, it's strong enough to hold up to 280 pounds, with a user-friendly design that is as comfortable as it is stable. Made with premium, high-density Oxford fabric, with double-stitch lines, the stool is built to last, with anti-slip feet and relaxing backrest. The Lead All-Way fishing chair with cooler bag is the perfect outdoor furniture for your next outdoor adventure. This versatile chair can be used in many different situations including fishing, camping and more. Featuring a collapsible design and built-in cooler bag, this portable chair easily collapses into a suitcase-sized bundle when not in use. The padded backrest helps to keep you comfortable while you enjoy the outdoors. Take your next fishing trip to the next level with this portable and durable fishing chair. The full-size design provides plenty of space to relax in comfort, while the heavy-duty frame is designed to easily hold up to 280 pounds. Number 2. Quick Shade Max Shade Chair. It's pretty hard not to notice this multi-purpose portable chair as it comes with its own canopy to keep the sun and light showers off you. It's full adjustable, ensuring you can set it to where you will feel the most benefit, while the durable steel frame is 22.5 inches wide and designed to take up to 225 pounds in weight. Take your outdoor comfort to another level with the Quick Shade Max chair. The patented adjustable canopy for sun protection lowers and tilts easily for shade when you need it, while durable 600 by 300 denier polyester fabric is made for durability and comfort. It's water, stain, and moisture resistant to keep your chair looking brand new. Plus, the travel bag makes moving it around easy. Supportive steel frame construction with higher arched back provides support up to 500 pounds, so you can enjoy sitting under the sun without breaking a sweat. Number 3. Picnic Time Oniva Folding Chair. Super lightweight and portable, this folding sports chair from Picnic Time can also be used for a number of activities. Designed with a sturdy, rock-solid aluminum frame, what sets it apart is the wealth of extra features that would be invaluable to any angler or camper. With an insulated beverage pouch, zippered security pocket, mesh compartment and fold-out table, there's more than enough additional space for you to spread out and store extra tackle, gear, personal belongings, and refreshments. The Outdoor Sports Chair with Side Table, by Oniva Polyester, is a lightweight and foldable beach chair designed to withstand some heavy, grown-up relaxing. The extra-wide seat of this high-back camping chair is 19 inches across, made of durable polyester canvas with padded armrests and boasts a 300-pound weight capacity. This portable travel chair has an adjustable shoulder strap plus 2 handles for easy transport at the beach, the park, the campground, the lawn, anywhere. Number 4. Travel Chair Slacker Chair. This compact folding tripod camping stool has such an obscene amount of excellent reviews, you should just get one to be a backup. One of the best portable fishing chairs around, it weighs just 2.2 pounds, and folds down to such a slim profile you'll hardly notice it's there. Made with a reinforced frame, durable nailhead fabric and 600 denier ripstop polyester, you can be sure this will offer you a comfortable rest spot for years to come. Travel Chair Slacker Chair is a lightweight, foldable resin chair that is perfect for hiking and backpacking adventures. The chair weighs only 1.9 pounds, while its compact size makes it easy to carry on trips. Built with ripstop polyester fabric, Travel Chair is highly durable and comfortable enough to relax in even after a long day's adventure. And the integrated Velcro strap allows you to easily wrap it up when you're on the go. Number 5. GCI Outdoor Quick E-Seat Folding Chair. Also garnering an impressive number of 5-star reviews is this outdoor quick ease seat, which improves upon the simple tripod style by adding a backrest. Still maintaining excellent portability, you have the additional support from the padded seat and extra wide rest, which means you're less likely to fall off if you suddenly forget you're actually still on a stool. The rocking chair from GCI Outdoor is a portable outdoor chair that can be used as an easy way to relax in your backyard, on a patio or camping trip, or wherever you have room to spread out. Its portable design makes it ideal for storing in cars and trucks and traveling around the world. This open-ended rocker features a mesh backrest for added comfort and wide mouth opening for easy food access. The seat has 5-star base springs to keep it in place even when being rocked by larger individuals. A handy beverage holder is also built into the side, and an integrated shoulder strap makes it easy to pack up and go. The stool supports up to 250 pounds.